Now the raid is being conducted by BJP MLA with police personals. Here you can understand and see this visual that the people who are residing here for a long time, they are belonging from Assam, Bangladesh, anywhere else. They have their identity cards, they have their Aadhaar card. But surprisingly, I just want to tell you, the situation is here. We can understand that the Aadhaar card which we have recovered here, BJP MLA recovered here, Neeraj Bora from here. This is our Aadhaar card where you can see this written only care of, not a son of. It means that there's a fake Aadhaar card also have been issued. Who have issued this? No one knows that, but you can see and understand that police are also verifying this NRC form, which shows that how they are just carrying this form here and they are unable to tell this. Even many people who are working in municipal corporation also are here and they have their identity card, even they are carrying with themselves. It means that in a long time they are just working here and they have their ID card. आप दिखाइए क्या है ये आपके हाथ में?
एनआरसी।
क्या क्या नाम है आपका?
जायदुल अली।
कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
आसाम से।
कब से रह रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
बचपन से।
बचपन से रह रहे हैं, यानी कि 15-20 साल से?
22 साल।
22 साल के। यहाँ का कोई आईडी कार्ड है?
यहाँ का कुछ
यूपी
नहीं।
का?
यूपी का कुछ नहीं।
कुछ नहीं है। आप बताइए कब से रह रहे हैं?
15 साल से।
यूपी का कोई कार्ड है?
नहीं।
वैसे क्या क्या है आपके पास?
आधार कार्ड है, वोटर कार्ड है,
हाँ।
एनआरसी है।
वोट कहाँ डालते हैं?
आसाम।
आसाम में। और ये देखिए, आप बताइए क्या नाम है आपका?
अबीर नशा।
कब से रह रही हैं यहाँ?
हम आया है 2-3 साल से।
2-3 साल से। और कार्ड आपके आईडी कार्ड कहाँ के हैं सब?
असम का है।
सब आसाम का। यूपी का है कुछ?
हाँ,
क्या?
इधर ही है, एनआरसी है।
नहीं, आप देखिए ये दिस proof which we can understand and see this NRC form where rejected 4 family member who have been rejected and husband also. आप ये जो reject लिखा हुआ है ये क्या है और ये accept क्या है? कुछ पता है आपको इसके बारे में?
इसके बारे में हमारे तो वो पता ही नहीं है।
ठीक है।
सब लोग का आया है, हमारा परिवार का आया नहीं।
We are joining here BJP MLA नीरज बोरा। सर, क्या आपने देखा यहाँ पर, क्या पाया और ये जो कार्ड्स हैं किस तरीके के देख रहे हैं?
And this itself is a big document कि NRC में this lady, her husband is का NRC is rejected and she is saying my brother-in-law, देवर का भी मेरा rejected है. So एक family में if NRC is rejected and that too all Aadhaar are fake Aadhaar because no Aadhaar is carrying son of or wife of. Every Aadhaar is having care of. That means that all Aadhaar needs to be verified and without verification this cannot be proved that they are the Indian citizen. And if this Aadhaar are fake, they should be deported and I would appreciate the leadership of Yogi Adityanath ji, our chief minister, that we have started making detention centers and the people who are not the citizen of India, ये घुसपैठिए हैं, इनको यहाँ पर रहने की इजाजत नहीं मिलेगी, इनको वापस भेजा जाना चाहिए.
How many cards you have recovered from them? Even we are looking at Aadhaar card, PAN card, even driving license.
In this locality, I have not witnessed a single Aadhaar card which says that they are son of or wife of. Every Aadhaar card is having care of. I am asking them that how you got your PAN card made, how you got your Shram card made. They are saying कि वो पंचायत घर से बना है, वो साइबर कैफे से बनवाया है. They don't understand what is the meaning of PAN card. हम जानते नहीं. इनके पीछे there is somebody, some ठेकेदार, some contractor is there who is making the efforts and they are sending them to this place and it is a big risk and big security hazard for our state.
Okay, this I just want to show you the exclusive picture of this drive which we can understand and see this Aadhaar card where you can take a Abrina Nessa name, but if you go through the backside of this Aadhaar card then you will find that there is a no care of, no husband, no father name is a care of is working. It means that there's something suspected and that's why where they have this recovered this kind of Aadhaar card, don't know, even they have made their PAN card also. So you can understand their PAN card and this is the ID card. So they have so many ID cards they are carrying from Assam. So it means that they don't have any ID card from UP. And what the reason behind this and how they are working here? It is the most important thing that they are also carrying this Shram card like a situation is over here. So they are just, you can see this visual that they are working here for a long time. Even they don't have their any kind of identity from UP. So it can understand that what the situation would have been and where from they got this card. So it's PAN card, which you can see that it's looking like a something fake, but it need to be verified that what is it. Also, you can see this police is also verifying this NRC form, where you can understand that many people who have been rejected in this form, even then they have a carrying here in UP. It means that if they are rejected, so how can they residing here in state of Uttar Pradesh, where Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also saying that nobody could stay here who are not part of the state of Uttar Pradesh. आप ये दो चेक कर रहे हैं मोबाइल में, क्या क्या चेक कर पा रहे हैं?
मैं एनआरसी चेक कर रहा हूँ। ये अगर एनआरसी में इनका जो फैमिली मेंबर्स की डिटेल होते हैं, अगर एनआरसी गूगल पे शो कर रहा है, जो ऐप है चेक करने का, इस पे शो कर रहा है, तो इट मीन्स कि ये असम के हैं। ठीक है, अगर एनआरसी में नहीं है या रिजेक्टेड है तो इसका मतलब ये असम के नहीं है। जैसे आपको दिखाना चाहूँगा, इसमें 4 सदस्य जो है रिजेक्टेड हैं। इसका मतलब ये 4 सदस्य असम के नहीं हैं। हो सकता है कि इनके पड़ोस में बांग्लादेशी रोहिंग्या जो भी माइग्रेंट से आके रह रहे हों और ये अपने फैमिली मेंबर बना के उसका एनआरसी बनाने का प्रयास किए हों, लेकिन ये रिजेक्ट हो गया है। उनका फिंगरप्रिंट नहीं मिला होगा या जैसे भी वहाँ बनाने की कोशिश की गई होगी, पर नहीं
रिटर्न कर दे जाएंगे जहाँ के?
यहाँ तो ये नहीं है। इनके अकॉर्डिंग जो ये लोग रह रहे हैं, जिनका ये कार्ड है, एनआरसी कार्ड है, इनके अकॉर्डिंग अभी जो रिजेक्टेड है यहाँ नहीं है। तो उनको इस बात का डर होगा कि हम पकड़े जाएंगे यहाँ, तो इससे अच्छा है कि हम असम या पश्चिम बंगाल या उधर कहीं नॉर्थ ईस्ट में जाकर हम अपना निवास बना लें।
Okay, the big secret which I just want to tell you through this NRC form, where the many people who have been rejected now and also residing here, it is identified by the police here. It means that the person who have been rejected in NRC form, how can they survive and how can they live in state of Uttar Pradesh? And this is what the BJP MLA Neeraj Bora is reaching in those areas, those slums area where they are residing for a long time. So it shows that the people who are from different state, different place are now residing here for a long time, even without any voter ID card, without any state card. It means that they all are should be sent, according to the BJP MLA, in detention center. That is why, because they are not carrying their actual identity card, which is required for state and UP. With camera person Sanjay Singh, Ashish Srivastava, India Today, Lucknow.